Hi, my name is Vivian and welcome. Today we are going to talk about another plot structure called the Fichtean Curve. What is the Fichtean Curve? This plot structure was found in John Gardner's 1983 work, The Art of Fiction. This plot structure is like a curvy pyramid structure and it will help you outline your story. This plot structure focuses on conflict and crisis, and there are three main components in this plot structure. It is the rise in action, the climax, and the falling action. The rise in action. The rise in action is where the story's tension increases, and it usually starts off fast with the inciting incident. The inciting incident needs to happen pretty early on, and then various crises happen afterwards. This will increase the story's tension and also keep you and your readers on your toes. So the curves in the plot structure is where each crisis starts. And unlike the three-act structure where you have to establish the protagonist and the world and then create a bond with your readers and the protagonist, this part happens super fast because we need to get to the inciting incident as fast as possible. The climax. The climax is the height of the tension. This is the point in the story where the different crises that happen in the rise in action has been building up to this point. The climax, is the biggest crisis that your character will face, so you better make it epic. The falling action. The falling action consists of the final resolution and the wrap up after the climax. This is where any questions that your audience may have needs to be answered, and also there needs to be a satisfying close. This is a very simple structure, so you have some wiggle room here, but I also feel like this plot structure doesn't give enough room for downtime. It seems as though that you are on your toes for the whole story until the end where you get to take a breather. And it can feel overwhelming when it comes to story, but hey, that is just my opinion. I may be wrong. But I did also read that this structure is good for mystery stories, character-driven stories, and literary fiction stories. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Go ahead and watch the next video here. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!